Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much guys for tuning into today's video. So in today's video we are going to be preparing delicious Nigerian slimy okra soup. So what I'm just showing you guys is my ingredients that I'm going to be using. And if you are new here, thank you so much for joining the family. To my OGs, my name is Naomi Dambelu. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber. I based in Abuja, Nigeria. So thank you so much for always tuning in to watch me, for subscribing. I love you all. Thank you for leaving me a comment. For those that came to watch the food, for those that came to watch another thing, all you guys, I just really want to just spice up content. That's what I'm busy doing now. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start washing my fish, my stock fish, my cow skin that I'm going to be cooking. So let me just allow you guys watch for yourself. It out so it won't scatter in the soup. Okay, we are going to introduce back our fish, but for now you just carefully take your fishes out, then we go ahead and start preparing the soup before we would introduce back the fish. So that is what I'm doing. So when I'm done taking out all the fishes, I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of more water. Then I'll go ahead and stir really well, really good.
For me, make her take care of my mommy. I is in my home, see. God will bless you, Kubana. God will bless you, Dangote. God will bless Adeleke, surely bless me, make I day okay. Baba don't want to be a beggar, I just want to be a giver. When enemies try to put me down, daddy, I tell them never. Baba streety did that, streety did what I know if you walk away alone. Baba shower me your blessing, give me better clarity, make I dey follow. Daddy open my way, open my page, oh no. I don't hustle, I don't tire for straight, oh yeah. Daddy remember me this year, Oluwa answer my call, oh. I want to get all out here. We go shake the world. You don't tell, I don't worry. You don't tell, I find the money. Oluwa beg on your hand, I make you shine my shoe. Make my life better, better, yeah. Make my life better, yeah. Eme wata kenere beya, ono chike jukwa ya no. Daddy many kono chiwamo, eya, make I dey follow. Daddy open my way, open my page, oh no. I don't hustle, I don't tire for street, oh yeah. Daddy remember me this year, Oluwa answer my call, oh. I want to get a latte, we go shake the world, eh. God will bless the Cubana, bless the Dangote, bless the Delegate, bless me, make a day okay. I want to build my house this year, I want to ride motor this year. If you believe me, shout amen. Me and you, we go to the end. Iwo,